Hi guys, so it's me again, your ate nyo Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. So ayan, another vlog na naman. So kung nandito ka, this vlog is about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams, goals, and just to influence you to pursue your dreams. This is all by my experience, and this vlog is para sa mga taong nangangarap at hindi pa nagsisimula. So if I were you, you need to start now. Okay, kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, nabasa nyo na may title. So, do you believe you can reach your dreams? Do you believe? Hmm, naniniwala ka ba? So, based on my experience and para sa akin, kung ako'y tatanungin nyo, I do believe we all can do. We can reach our dreams. Nothing is impossible with God. Lagi niyo yan tatandaan, walang imposible. You need to believe in yourself first. You need to trust Him. And you have to work for it. Do your best every day. And most especially, ask yourself, until when I am here, standing here, looking at my parents. They feel exhausted. They feel, what I'm trying to say is, you have to do your best for your family. You have to do your best for your dreams. Kasi nothing is impossible with God. Okay? So, this vlog is about to influence you na maniwala kayo sa mga pangarap nyo, sa goals nyo. If you're not started yet, if you're not starting yet, okay? Sorry for my English. Okay, this is for the international if you are watching this. So I'm trying to do my best to speak in English. I'm not so fluent, but at least I'm doing my best just to influence everyone. For me, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible with God. You just have to believe in yourself first because you are the only one who will believe in yourself. Okay? If you have dreams or pangarap, you have to pursue. For example, today, ang daming mga mangyayari, struggles, challenges, obstacle, but you have to face it. You have to embrace change. You have to face all the challenges. Don't run. Just face it, finish it, and if you're tired, just relax, take a rest, but don't you ever give up for your dreams, okay? Just believe that you can reach your dreams, okay? If you believe that, continue to pray, have connection with God through Jesus Christ, okay? Kasi all that we're all here in this world, we're all here in the earth, okay? Because of I don't know what's your purpose, but we all have purpose here, okay? Just believe in yourself. Nothing is impossible with God, okay? Just reach for your dreams. Um, think for your family. Think for yourself. If you are born like that, you are not so rich. If you are born like in the, what do you call that? In not so happy family, broken family. So dream big, okay? For yourself, for your future family. Yeah. So this blog is about influencing you to pursue your dreams, okay? I'm not so experienced. Hindi ako masyadong wala akong masyadong experience, but if you watch this video, I hope na ma-influence kita na i-pursue mo yung dreams mo. Age is just an age. Age is just a number, okay? So, if matanda ka na, if the example is the KFC owner, the Colonel, I don't know the name. KFC owner is 65 siya bago niya na-achieve yung dreams niya. So, ikaw, wala sa age yan, okay? Just pursue your dreams. Don't you ever give up. Okay, guys? So, this vlog is just to influence you. Okay, comment down below if nakarelate ka, if you pursue my dreams mo. Kahit maraming pagsubok, huwag kang hihinto. Kasi marami talagang pipigil sa'yo, yung mga hindi natin nakikita. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye! See you in my next vlog.